Yep. So email ain't your thing, right? Nah, let's say it like this. Email is working. Email marketing is great. It's bringing you in business. You're making money off of it. You don't really have a complaint except for the fact that you understand and you already know that it's only a certain percentage of people that actually open those things, right? Well, here's something to help you with that. There is a brand new software available for the mass public. It is not a cheap software. I'm not going to act like it is. There are plenty of programs out here. Oh, excuse me. There are quite a few programs out here. There's not plenty of them. It's still new to the market, but there are quite a few programs out here offering this to you. And there are other people that you can go through their links and just grab the service as well. So I'm not the only one here providing this service for you. However, I'm probably the only one here that's breaking it down this way. Look, if you're a business owner and you're using email marketing and it's working for you, it's been effective, you just want to reach more people than what that email marketing can do for you, then you definitely need one of these services. And I would strongly advise you to look down below. There's a link there. Click it. Uh, that link will lead you to either my webpage, me and my wife's webpage, or will bring you directly to Ava itself. I prefer for you to go to the webpage and sign up, give all the information there and everything else, and going ahead and make your payment. This program is only costing you, and I'm going to be very upfront about this. It's $600, right? Now, for $600, you're buying the program. For $600, you own that software. For $600, if you already have somebody that deals with all of your online marketing and whatnot, you can just give them access to the software and they can go in there and set it up because it's very similar to email marketing. You don't need to know any coding or anything like that. Even setting up something as simple as the phone number and everything else is pretty easy. And I'm going to tell you what this is now that you got the price out the way. Um, it's basically a text bot service. Please don't get discouraged when you hear the word text bot. You can say SMS. Okay, it's an automated SMS service, is what it is. SMS is short messaging. Um, it's actually anytime that you receive one of those text messages that has less than 200 characters, that's a short message. Um, a lot of big companies already have these. However, they have the 5 and 6 digit numbers, which we can get you as well. And but it's just they're a lot more expensive. The vendor that we use, they run $1,500 just to actually get the number assigned, and then it's $1,500 a month. The program that I'm offering you today, however, allows you 10 regular 10-digit numbers, meaning it's 678-581-432-937-521-6603 or whatever. It's that kind of number. And all that you're doing is making sure that people have this number, people see this number. Your duty as an owner or a business person would just be to put this number in front of as many people as you can and set up the number so that once they text that number or they call that number, because let me tell you, if you call this particular program, the software that we have, if you call this number, it sounds almost like you're speaking to a real person. I mean, it is eerily human-like, um, almost to the point that if you didn't know any better, you probably would think you were actually speaking to someone real quick, and then they told you that, hey, look, just text me real fast, right? Um, anyway, long story short, 93% of people that receive a text message, they open up that text message and they respond to it. 98% of people that receive a text message on their phone, they actually respond to that text message within the first 3 minutes of receiving it. These are numbers that you just can't get with email marketing. And we all know email marketing does work. There are a lot of emails that I receive from different companies out here that I actually respond to. I use the coupon. I use the information they got. I use them. If it's good information or something that I'm familiar with and I like, I'm going for it if I catch the email. Problem is, a lot of times I see those emails a little bit too late. The special is already gone. I'm quicker to catch the ones on my phone. And the reason why is because throughout the day, I check my phone constantly. I do a lot of business on my phone. I do not like to see the messages at the bottom, having those, where my text messages, it says 4 messages, 5 messages, or whatever. I always have to go in there and find where is the little bubble next to the message so I can open it up and close it. And at that time, I always catch whoever it is, KNG, this person, that person, whatever, at that moment, if I didn't see it earlier because I was too busy. Bottom line is, I always check my text message. My email, I don't know how many emails I have unopened. And I'm not going to go through hundreds of emails to open them and close them either. I can care less. Um, and it's sad, but that's just normally what it is, right? So we want you to be able to get in front of more of your clients. We want you to be able to reach more people. We want you to be able to generate more income. If you're a restaurant that's being affected by these shutdowns and you right now have to do a delivery or a curbside pickup, then we want you to be able to reach the people that came through your door a little quicker so that they can come in and spend money with you and take you up on the offers that you're giving them, the promotion that you're taking time to put online or onto your email campaigning or whatever you're doing. We want you to be able to win. And so we have this for you. Like I said, it's a one-time fee of $600 is what you're paying, and you actually have the software. They allow you text minutes at 1 cent per text. You can load it up for as little as $10 and buy 1,000 texts, or you can pay as much as $50 and get 5,000 texts. You can set up for reoccurring payments so that every month they'll just pull from your business account or pull from the card that you set up with them. They'll pull at $10 or $50, and they'll actually double your minutes for you. And you do have a reoccurring fee of $50, but you can also kill that right now. I don't know how long they're going to be running this program, but right now they're allowing you to basically make 10 months worth of payments in advance, and that's it. So you're paying $4.99, and for $4.99 to basically kill your monthly payments. So altogether, if you were to do it all and only have to worry about your minutes and $1 per line that you actually use, and you have up to 10 lines that you can create, and as many keywords as you want to add into them, and you can make the list respond and ask questions for as long as you want. So there's a lot that you can get out of this. It would be you would be all in with no major reoccurring monthly payments at $1,100. And yeah, I don't know a software out here yet that gives you that opportunity. And if you're waiting too long for something like this, then I wouldn't. I would really get into this. Anyway, that's that. So on the screen, you see me going over some things. I'm just quickly taking you through a process here just to kind of show you guys what the system is and how it works. But if you want more information on how everything works, uh, buy the program. Make sure you get in under me and my wife. Make sure that you're going to Demasi if you're going to them directly, or even better, just go over to my website at if-reachout.com, and you can, matter of fact, I'll leave a link down below in the description, of course, and you can just click onto either of those links, and it'll basically take you to the same place. With the one caveat that the IF Reach Out one will actually take you to my page where I can make sure that you're going in the right direction. Okay, so that me and you can work together, and you can continue to get more information like this that won't necessarily be on YouTube for all to see. I'll send you special links to that stuff. All right, or I'll have it on my webpage somewhere, my website. All right, so meanwhile, if you're a business owner and you saw this, man, get on to it. It's $1,100 in total, $600 if you don't want to put up 11, and you can just pay $50 a month. And whenever you want to, as long as this program is still going on, you can cancel those monthly payments by just paying a one-time fee of $500. And that's it. It's an $1,100 investment into your business. You cannot go without this. You need it. For everybody else, just